So, do you guys like bloopers? If you do, I recommend you stay for the end of this video because, well, you see, there will be bloopers. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. I've already messed up on this line once, and hopefully I don't again. So, yeah. If you want to see bloopers, and if you like bloopers, stay for the whole video. Or skip the video. I don't mind either one, but yeah. Hi, by the way, I'm back. So yeah, I'm just back. What's up, guys? And yeah, that's basically it. So enjoy the video. I'm trying not to make this intro too long. I am never talking to a guy ever. Oh, hello, Rumi. Why are you in my room? Just, you just wanted to come in uninvited? Okay, yeah, that does sound like you, but is there a reason? No? You just wanted to walk into my room unexpected? Okay, yeah, that's not weird at all. No, I'm not bothered, I'm just curious why you just came into my room unexpected. So, do you like wanna sit down or something? Yeah, okay, either you can sit on the chair or you can sit on the bed, and I honestly couldn't care less. Oh, what am I doing? Just pretend I wasn't on my phone and basically talking to myself. Just forget about that. No, just one of my friends texted me. He was being annoying and flirty, and the guy thinks he can flirt so easily with girls and be like, oh my goodness, I have all the riz in the world. Yeah, no. No. He sucks. Literally. You know his pickup line? He said, I should be doing my homework right now, but instead, I'd rather do you. Who says that? Who? No! No! Just no! Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yeah, well, enough about me. What are you up to? Oh my biscuits, what? Did the power just go out? The power went out. Great. The power went out. And it's pitch black. You okay? You seem disturbed. You sure you're okay? 'Cause your face isn't really showing it. Don't ask how I can still see your face even though it's so dark. Well, it's not really that dark. I can there's still some light in the room, but you know what I mean. You sure it's nothing? You're pretty sure? 'Cause yeah, no, I'm not buying it. What's wrong? Yeah, I'm asking what's wrong. What is wrong? You just gonna stare at me? Or you're gonna answer? No answer? Okay. Hello, yeah, thunder gods, Zeus, who knows? You mind, giving us a little bit more thunder? Okay, now you're answering. Yeah, tell me, what's wrong? Oh, you're scared of storms? No, I won't make fun of you, it's just... Okay. Okay, sorry. It's just... You. The fearless, tiny little gremlin. Scared of storms? Really? Okay. Yes, I called you a little tiny gremlin. Now shut up. Well, if it helps, I can just throw a blanket on you. Yeah, I don't mind. I have a blanket in, like, my closet or something. If you want that, I'll just get it. Or I can just get one of my hoodies. Either one. Oh, that was fast. Do you want one of my hoodies? Well, I guess I can understand that most of them are oversized and very comfy. Anyways, here, let me get one. Okay, got it. There you go. Aww, you look so cute in that. Like a little tiny muffin that I could just stuff in my mouth. I'm joking. Okay, I gotta go turn the power back on. What? You don't want to be alone in the room? All I'm gonna do is just go in the hallway and turn the, power back on. Do you not want that? No? You want me to stay with you? Well, listen here, sweetie. I have to turn the power back on. If you want, Roomy, you can follow me and hold the light for me, the flashlight, and I can turn the power back on. Be a lot of help. Yeah? That works out? Okay. Do you want to hold my hand or something? Okay, I'll stop teasing. No, but seriously, do you want to hold my hand? Yeah? Okay. Just don't hold on. Oh god, you're squeezing my hand. Can you loosen your grip a bit? Jeez. Thank you. Oh gosh. Whew, you have a grip. Jeez, oh my. Yeah, you're too innocent. Don't ask why I said that. When I said you had a grip. You know what? I'm not even gonna explain. Your mind is too innocent to know. Just get a little here. Hey, can you point the flashlight here? No, not over. I'm not pointing to the ceiling. Thank you. To where my hand is pointing. Thank you. Okay, gotta put the the light's back on. Okay. Power's on. That was more easy than I thought it would be, but okay. You good now? No. But it literally stopped raining. Yeah, it stopped raining a while ago. Like right after the lightning happened. Never mind. It started raining. I should have never said that. Yep, sorry. Well, I don't know whether you're gonna go back to your room or not. You're not? Well, where are you gonna sleep if you're not gonna go back to your room? Are you planning on sleeping in my room? Not that I care. Just, you're making that face. Yes, you're making the face of, oh, I'm gonna sleep in your room, and you're not gonna have a problem with it, because I'm your roomie, and, well, your best friend, so you can't really complain. You're making that kind of face. Don't ask why I name your faces and that kind of, okay, whatever. Well, if you're gonna sleep in my room, there will be rules. I know I'm mostly a chill person, but rules. One, you're gonna sleep on one side of the bed and I'll sleep on the other. No cuddling. No cuddling at all. I hate cuddling and you know that. Okay, good. No cuddling. Good. That's basically the only rule. Other than, well, never mind. Yeah, that's all. That's the only rule. Just no cuddling and stay on your side of the bed. Well, that's kind of 2 rules. So yeah, 2 rules. 1, no cuddling. 2, stay on your side of the bed. And if you can listen to them rules, I'll buy you whatever you want tomorrow. It has to be 1 item though. You're not gonna buy like 100 things. What? I just got paid this week. Am I gonna spend it on plushies and stuff you find at like, I don't know, Dollar Tree or like, I don't know, wherever you like shopping. I am not spending all of my money for stuffed animals. Girl, I know you. You're going to buy stuffed animals. Or a stuffed animal, because I'm only buying you 1 item. So, yeah, I can tell you're gonna buy a little stuffed animal. How are you gonna even fit it in your room? Put it on your desk. Girl! Roomie. Your room has no space. Your bed's filled with them. The desk beside your bed is filled with them. Your drawers are filled with them. Your closet is filled with them. Plus, you need to clean your closet. You have, like, shoes everywhere. Your other desk in your room, filled with them. Your mirror has them stacked all around it. Basically, your floors are covered with them. Clean your room. Oh, you need your little lip. That's your fault. You made me say what you said. That's your fault. Cause I'm not little. I'm taller than you. No, shut up. That's your fault. No. You can't make fun of me. That's your fault. That's your fault. You made me say it. You made me say it. Whatever. What I meant to say is, oh, you need help from your tall, something roommate to help you. Okay, ow, okay, I'll stop. I'll stop messing up your sentence that you said. I'll stop, okay, sorry. Well, not really, okay, I'm sorry, jeez. Well, what side of the bed are you gonna sleep on? Dude. That's my side. Oh, you're sleeping on that side because it's warm? Oh, okay. Wow, so you're gonna give me the cold side? Unless I wanna no cuddling. No cuddling. That's first rule. No cuddling. I don't know about you, but I'm tired, so get your butt in bed. I already have my pajamas on. I don't know about you. If you're gonna get changed, go to the bathroom and get changed. Don't do it like last time where you just straight up got dressed in front of me. I know we're both girls, but like, just get changed in the bathroom this time. What do you mean you caught me staring? I was not staring at you. Shut up. Go. Just get your pajamas on. Go. Yeah, leave. And here is the bloopers. Oh. So, do you guys like music? Wait, no. I am never talking to a guy ever again. Oh, hey. Nothing. That's just boring, dude. That's sad. Jeez. Well, yeah. You came into my room in the first place and just sat on my bed, so. Oh, that sounds kind of weird. I should have made a script for this. Oh, wow. Okay. What? You want to hold on to my hand or something? Okay, yeah. Ow, jeez, didn't have to punch my shoulder. Well, stop teasing. God. Ugh. No, seriously, do you want to hold my hand? Yeah? Okay, just make sure you oh my biscuit, Jesus Christ. Can you not hold